Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at FXAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So it's come to the end of what's been another fantastic trading week in our professional signal service. Great start to July. It's actually the third or fourth week on the trot. We have made nearly 300 to 400 pips. Okay, so this video is we're going to go over a trade I posted in the free signal group yesterday, and it's a selling opportunity on gold. And this video I'm going to go over and analyze the actual pair and give you the reasoning why I'm entering this position for a selling opportunity. Okay, so as always, if you're new to the channel and you haven't actually subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with all my latest videos. You can also join the free Telegram group by clicking the link at the top left hand corner of the video here, or if you're watching this on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button now, or sorry, that link will actually be in the description area of the video. Okay, so let's head over to the charts, and we're looking at gold here. Okay, the initial trade was to sell at 1800 in the signal group. It did pop up a little bit further. The stop loss is around 1840. Yesterday I posted in the Telegram group at sell at 1805. And again, if this trade takes me out, I will re-enter it, as it is a very nice setup, as you will see in the explanation of this video. Okay, so what we're looking at here, the market has been rallying pretty hard. Okay, we're in a nice leg up here, but what we're actually approaching this monthly area here from 2012. Okay, and it is at a monthly close, 2012 monthly close, which is okay. I'm messing with the trade. Okay, so it's at the monthly close there. I think the monthly close is at 1820. 1822. Okay, that's actual monthly close. Okay, and it nearly popped up and hit there yesterday where we got a reaction. Okay, so this is the monthly area. So what I'm expecting is, with all the current world events, the market could just take this zone straight out. Reading price action, I feel that the market will create a leg down first, and then if it is going to take it out, it will rally back up. So it'll come down. Drawn tool. It will. Okay, in essence, make it. Okay, it will come down and then it will take off that way. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you the reason why. Okay, I'm thinking this is how it will play out. Okay, so we're at the monthly area here. It's approaching about this monthly close area, and if you look at the weekly charts. Just zoom out a little bit. This is on the weekly charts. This is a nice weekly area inside this monthly. Okay, here. Okay, so the weekly and the monthly are the same thing. So what I'm looking for now is, as price is approaching this higher time frame zone, I'm looking for evidence that the market is slowing down and sellers are starting to come into the market. Okay. First thing I like to look for is a divergence signal approaching the higher time frame area. This is basically telling me that if you're a trend trader, that to stop buying pullbacks, as they are getting very dangerous coming into these higher time frames. Okay, this divergence happened last week on the daily charts, and what usually happens is what's happening now. Okay, this is evidence that smart money is starting to come into the market. They are starting to look for selling opportunities, and what they will do, they'll push the market up to one last leg. Okay, this to entice dumb money into the market. Okay, you can probably see all over the news now that people are, everywhere you go, it's buy gold, buy gold, buy gold. Okay, so what will likely happen is this will entice a lot of dumb money coming into the market thinking gold's going to the moon, and push the market up one last leg up, and then boom, this is to create liquidity. So The big players who have been in the market from the beginning, okay, now turn to sellers and start taking profits on their positions. Okay, if it is going to go above the 1922 high of 2012, okay, we're likely to see a retracement down into this weekly area here in 1735, or if it's a deeper retracement, all the way back down here around the 1500 area. I can't really see that happening. First take profit I kind of like is around the 1700 to 1675 to 1735. Okay, it is a really nice trading setup. Can play out over a few weeks on gold here. Okay, so and if you actually look at this leg up, this is in and around that area will be a nice Fibonacci area. Okay, which it is. Okay, we've got the between the 23.6 and 38.2 Fibonacci at this weekly area that caused this swing high here. Okay, and similar story down here. We're at the 61.8 Fibonacci. Okay, so the same thing happened here earlier this year. Okay, or sorry, last year. We had this huge spike down on gold. I think it dropped nearly $200 in 2 weeks, and then that created a lot of buying pressure to push the market back up towards creating these new highs, coming into these untested weekly and monthly areas from 2012. Okay, so and you can see this was actually a test of this area here. In October last year. Okay, you can see this was a swing low, the new swing high, drops all the way back down to this area here that caused this high, comes back down. We actually get a weekly divergence, which is very, very good signal, and the market takes off. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm actually selling gold. Okay, the market's telling me it's slowing down. Sellers have started to come into the market. I'm simply not going to sell this divergence here. I wanted to push up higher into the area, which is happening now. This is really my view to entice dumb money into the market, to create liquidity for big players to enter their selling positions or exit their huge buy positions and take their profits. Okay, you can see and everywhere people are saying buy gold, buy gold, buy gold. This will kind of entice a lot of dumb money into the market, and again, you don't want to be trading with dumb money. You want to be trading against dumb money and trading with the smart money, which this divergence here is kind of telling me that they are starting to come into the market and push the market up. One last leg up before a huge sell-off. Okay, so if it does take out my first initial position, I will re-enter the trade. There's no ifs or buts about it. I'm liking the position. If I get stopped out in the first position, I'll re-enter because I'll likely make the money on my second position. So, and anyway, I've just averaged into this position. So, yeah, so it's a good trade. It's selling gold where it is now. Stop loss. First stop loss is at 1840. If it does take that out, you can re-enter. Take profit again. Between 135 and 1675 will be a good take profit. It also will be a good buying area to re-enter the market if price action telling us in around that between 1735 and 1675. Okay, so that's the reason for the gold trade. That's why I'm looking. That's why I'm trading it, and it's a really nice setup. So hope this video helps. If you want to actually join the professional signal service, you can sign up below. Just click the ready to start, click here now button, or if you're watching it on YouTube, there will be a link below in the description area. If you have any questions, let me know. will@fxace.com. As always, trade at your own risk. This is a video showing you what I'm trading, and yeah, so thanks for watching, and I shall see you on the next video. Will over to fxace.com.